Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use AI to analyze real estate deals, full tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, gather your data on potential real estate deals. Identify the key metrics you'll need for analysis, such as purchase price, projected rental income, and operating expenses. Next, select an AI tool that specializes in real estate analysis. Create an account on the chosen platform if required. Once logged in, upload your collected data in the format specified by the tool. Set up the parameters for your analysis. This may include specific filters based on location, property type, and investment goals. After inputting your parameters, initiate the analysis process. The AI will process the data and provide insights on various investment opportunities. Review the analysis report thoroughly. Look for projected cash flow, return on investment, and cap rates. Consider the AI-generated recommendations for properties that meet your criteria. Take mental notes of any red flags highlighted in the report. If the tool offers visualization options, explore these to better understand the data. Create comparisons between multiple properties using the platform's features. Refine your analysis by adjusting parameters and rerunning scenarios. Once satisfied with your findings, export the reports for further review or presentation. Always cross-check AI insights with local market trends and expert opinions. This ensures a holistic understanding of the potential deals. In conclusion, leverage AI as a powerful ally in your real estate investment strategy. Start using these tools today to make data-driven decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.